Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Salesforce Einstein for predictive analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce Einstein dashboard. Identify the Einstein Analytics option in the menu. Once selected, locate the Predictive Analytics feature. Click on Predictive Analytics to open the tool. Next, select the data set you want to analyze. Ensure the data has a clear target variable for predictions. Click on Create Prediction to initiate a new predictive model. Choose the target field from your dataset. Define the type of prediction you're interested in. Select the relevant fields you want to consider in the model. Review the data summary to confirm accuracy. If necessary, clean up any inconsistencies in the data. Now, click on Train Model to begin processing. Allow some time for the model to train based on your inputs. Once complete, review the model results on the dashboard. Analyze the accuracy metrics provided by Einstein. If the results meet your expectations, proceed to deployment. If improvements are needed, consider adjusting your data inputs. Finally, save or publish your predictive model for use. Your Salesforce Einstein predictive analytics model is now ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.